What's up guys, it's me Geek. Now let me show you the memory, the RAM of it. Go to the setting on the essential phone. Let me show you the RAM users with the RAM. This is storage. Okay, I want to show you the memory users. Memory. Okay, Sony storage. Yeah, I'm sorry. I think so. You're gonna see the memory in the Android. Android 9. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can't. So now let me show you the RAM in the CPU Z. How much RAM is eating it right now. Okay, system device, so it comes with a 4 GB RAM right now. The available RAM is only like 20%. This phone eat a lot of RAM. I don't know why, but it do not become slow. The RAM management is okay. It's not great. Let me be honest with you. 20% RAM only. Okay, let me clear it everything. Okay. It's still 20%. Yeah, Android Pie, not eat a lot of RAM, but on this phone, there's a lot of RAM going on. So it was me, G making subscribe. Bye.